Love what you do and do what you love, man. It's the only way you want to enjoy life. If I'm not an inspiration to you, let these visuals be that for you. I love what I do. I have fun doing what I do. Bring your life to the location. Going. It ain't gonna be pretty, but we're gonna get there. Yes. So what we about to do, we about to move these owl frames and replace the owl markers. These are owl markers, owl frames. And once we replace those, it's gonna be different colors, some of them different names. Be careful, safety first. Always practice safety, doing what we do. It's very important that you do that. Safety first. I believe in that wholeheartedly. So they go, all right. Half the battle once you remove that. This fast, bro. This thing fast. We can use this one now. We got enough. Yeah, we got enough right here.
Alright. So we're going to center between the box and that conduit.
Yep.
And then we're just going to cut over.
It looks like they use some better masking tape for this.
Yeah, it's not bad. I don't want to talk too soon.
Yeah. Reboot that thing. If you drop it. Yeah, get a video of all that. Prime examples. If you drop something like this, it's going to shatter. Good thing we don't need that. Get that stretch out. That's the main thing. You'll feel better for it. The older you get, the more you feel it. You know what I mean? Get them hip flex rolling. You know what I'm saying? All that. The most important thing is making sure you measure.
Because it's just going to hit right here.
Hey, what the? Why we didn't figure this shit out, bro?
To be fair, it was 4:30 in the morning. It's actually.
This is what we were trying to fucking figure out.
Last night?
Last night. This is it. Right here. It took one picture for me to figure this shit out. One fucking picture.
Yeah.
This is it.
Cool.
measure. You measure. 79.
79.
Yeah. 79. We are complete. We have completed our jobs, man. Day 4 has ended. We're gonna give y'all a walkthrough and let y'all see the finished product. Making sure everything is balanced, level, all that good stuff. That's the most important. You gotta follow the rules and what they require to the letter. Very important that you do everything to eye level. It looks level, it is level. I put my stamp on it. It's guaranteed satisfaction. D&E Wraps. We make sure everything's right the first time. Boom. We have arrived. It's over. I had my man Robbie, I had my man Grant, and I had my man DJ. The cameraman, I couldn't have did it without him. He made everything look crisp. I can't wait till the finished product come out video-wise, and y'all see the training, and y'all see the day in the life of a rapper. We're here. I'm your favorite rapper's favorite rapper. Nah. Yeah, this is 4th day. Appreciate you, man. You'll take care, man. Be easy. All right? I'm where you not. Let's do it. Yeah, we everywhere. We not local. We like to end our workouts with a stretch. We in contact sports. Being a rapper is a contact sport. You don't believe it? Come out, work out with me for 1 day. 1 day, I'm telling you, you'll be sore. I promise you. So we're gonna get our stretch on and make sure we stretch it out. You always want to do this before and after a shift. So this is a message to all the young folks, you know, anywhere from 10 to 25. If y'all looking to get into the signage industry, please get a holler at me. You know, my phone number is 770-726-0171, or you can reach me by email, derapsllc@gmail.com. And repeat that, that's derapsllc@gmail.com. If anybody want to learn just the ins and outs of this industry, please give me a call, shoot me an email. I have classes that I set up to introduce you to a world of the signage industry. It's a real fun and lucrative business, and I'd definitely like to share my knowledge with you all. Of course, for a small fee, but we'll make it happen for you.